Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build travel insurance with Allianz, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Allianz travel insurance website. Look for the Get a Quote button on the homepage. Click on the button to start the process. You'll be prompted to enter details about your trip. Provide information such as your destination and travel dates. Indicate the number of travelers and their ages. Review the options for different coverage types. Select a plan that fits your travel needs. Once you've chosen a plan, click on the Continue button. Next, you will be asked to provide personal information. Fill in the required details accurately. This includes your name, address, and contact information. After entering your personal details, you will be asked to review your selections. Check the coverage details to ensure they meet your expectations. If everything looks good, proceed to the payment section. Enter your payment information securely. Make sure to review the total cost before finalizing the transaction. Once the payment is complete, you will receive a confirmation email. Keep this confirmation for your records. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact Allianz customer support. They are available to assist you with any inquiries. Review your insurance policy for any specifics. Understand what is covered and what isn't. This will help you navigate any claims that may arise during your travels. Enjoy peace of mind knowing you are protected with Allianz travel insurance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.